Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can download download and install Java for Minecraft. It's quite easy and straightforward, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to open up your browser, and then you just need to go to java.com, and once you're here, then you need to press download, and then you need to press download Java here. And then you can save it with whatever you like, so I will save on my desktop. And another thing that you can do here is to basically download Java Development Kit. You just need to on Google write Java Development Kit, and on Oracle website should be this one. Then you need to scroll down, select your operating system. For me is Windows, but as you can see here there is Linux and Mac OS. And then what I need to do here is download this one as well to my computer. And once two Javas here, Development Kit and normal Java is downloaded, what I need to do here is to, I will show you here, these two basically installation folders here, installation setups, and what you need to do here is to install them one by one. The first one here, press install. As you can see here, it's installing. We need to wait for a couple of seconds here until it finishes. You should get this message here. You have successfully installed Java. Same thing with Java Development Kit here. And as you can see here, the software has already been installed to your computer. Would you like to reinstall? So let's do this. So I will remove it quickly. And as you can see here, and if I go back here, we can see that Java is Development Kit is installed. And that's pretty much it what you need to do here. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.